Hi, welcome to Trash to Treasure Thursday. My name is Felicia and today I'm going to show you how to make a letter wall art. The first step is to grab your cereal box. You can use a pizza box and you're going to trace out with a pencil or a marker of whatever letter you want. If you just want rather use it as a shape, that is completely up to you. So I already did that step. So I traced out the first initial of my name, which is an F. Then the next step is to start painting your items that you want to put on your artwork. So I already pre-painted this with white, and then you're going to also paint your toilet paper rolls, which I have already did. If you have markers, you can always just color that in too. That's up to you of whatever supplies you have. The next step is to be cutting up your toilet paper rolls and making them into strips. So I'm just going to cut a couple of these here. And once you have all of your toilet paper rolls cut, you're going to cut each one so it's one strip. Okay. The next step is you're going to roll it up as like a coil. And then you're going to use a hot glue gun, place it wherever you want on your artwork, and you're going to hot glue that to your design. You can only just use a little drop, that's plenty enough. And then the last step is, once everything is all done on the front, you're going to flip over to the back and you're going to make the piece where you hang from your wall. So I'm going to put 2 dollops of the hot glue gun, put my string on top, let that dry, and then you're going to get something like this. So notice how I have each coil rolled up. I made some smaller ones, I have some bigger ones, and I use the hot glue gun to keep all of it in place. However many toilet paper rolls you have, you can use up the whole letter, you can use up the whole shape, whatever your preference is. And then this is how the back looks with the string and how I use the 2 dollops of glue to help with hanging this. And there's your letter wall art. Tune in next week as we have another Trash to Treasure craft for you.